He said he was TK Nkwana, a South African businessman who's now based in the US, and he said he had good relationships with the likes of Oprah Winfrey, as he was also a part of the team that was organizing her coming to South Africa for the Global Citizen.
And then for all of this, I understand that you paid millions of rand. Can you confirm indeed that this is true?
Well, it's true, but I can't at this point disclose how much was paid when, because this matter is still under investigation.
Would you say more than 5 million?
Griselda, it's still under investigation, and to actually, the police, I'm sure they're actually checking the movement of that money, and I'm still in consultation with the lawyers in terms of the criminal charge. I laid a criminal case, and we are busy with the civil cases to try to recover the funds.
But you can confirm that it's millions?
I can confirm that, yes, it's millions.